Hi guys, hello and welcome back. And here we have a problem. It is that show that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree or a right angle. So what we can say from this picture, a right angle, if we just recall it, a right angle is a rectangle is a parallelogram which is having a 90 degree of each angle, but we have to prove it. So it is a parallelogram. So all the opposite angles, if we sum it, it will be 90 degree, and not only 180 degree, and not only if we add both the two angles B and C, it will be 90 degree. What it is, just say, so angle B and angle D will be equal. It is a property of a parallelogram that the opposite angles will be equal. Why? Because the opposite sides are equal. Okay. And not only that, these two angles, if we add it, we will get 180 degree. Okay. Now similarly, these two angles also will give the 180 degree. So angle D plus angle C, it is also 180. These two added 180, these two added 180. If we compare it, so angle B is equals to angle D always. So after that we can see from that C is equals to 90 degree, and similarly all the angles are 90 degree. So this is the proof that a parallelogram, all the angles, a rectangle, all the angles are 90 degree. We will go to the next problem after that. What we have in this problem, that diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Now how to prove it? First of all, you know that it is a parallelogram which is having equal sides. All sides are equal. Now from that we can say that these four lines or these two diagonals which is intersected at point O are actually bisected. So BO will be equals to OD. Not only that, AO will be equals to OC, and actually all are equal to each other. Okay, so now we are considering these two triangles. What triangles? Triangle AOB and triangle AOT. These two sides are equal, so AB is equals to AD. This is a common side. These two lines are equal. So according to SSS axiom, we can say these two triangles are congruent. From that we can come to a conclusion that these two angles are actually equal to each other. So angle AOB will be angle equal to angle AOD. It is a CPCT. Now what we can see from that? It is a straight line. So that sum AOB and AOD, if it is summed together, it will give 180 degree. So angle AOB is 180 by 2, 90 degree. So that is a 90 degree. Similarly this one, and we can prove all these angles are 90 degree. So all the two diagonals are actually perpendicular to each other, and not only that, they are perpendicularly bisect each other. This is a proof of this problem. We will go to the next problem after that. So what we have in this problem, that L and M, these two lines are actually parallel to each other, and that K is intersected, or it is a traversal which is intersected these two lines in point A and C. Now these angles, considering these two angles, these four angles, four bisectors are being drawn. Okay, and these bisectors are formed a rectangle. No, these bisectors have formed a quadrilateral. What we have to prove, that this bisector formation, that quadrilateral is a rectangle. So we have to prove ABCD is a rectangle. So let's start. So what can we say? This is a angle PAC and ACR. This is a parallel line, it is a transversal, so angle PAC will be equals to angle ACR, no doubt. Now this angle is the bisector of it, and this is also a bisector of it. So half of PAC is equals to half of ACR. What is half of PAC? Half of PAC will be BAC, and half of ACR will be ACD. Okay. Now it is a property of a parallelogram that these alternate angles are actually equal, and as it is, these alternate angles are equal, so these two lines are parallel. Okay. So AB and CD will be parallel, we can say from that, because this is an alternate angle also of this quadrilateral, where these two lines are parallel and it is a transversal. Because of that, these two alternate angles created which are equal to each other. Now coming to the next part, that it is a parallelogram, it is proved. Now we have to prove that it is a quadrilateral which is a rectangle. Now what can we say from that? If you look into the figure, PAC plus CAS, PAC plus CAS, these two angles are is equals to 180 degree, no doubt. If we half it, half of PAC plus half of CAS, what will be 90 degree? What is half of PAC? That is BAC. What of half of CAS? CAS CAD. And what is the value of it? If we add it together, it will give a 90 degree. So it is a parallelogram which is having an angle is 90 degree. So it is a rectangle. I am making videos for all the chapters and topics of NCERT class 9. It is available on YouTube and Facebook. Please follow it and share with your friends. Thank you.